Galvanometer is a device that is used to detect a small electric current or measure its magnitude. The current and its intensity are usually indicated by a magnetic needle movement or that of a coil in a magnetic field, which is an important point of a galvanometer. A moving coil galvanometer. A moving coil galvanometer is a device to detect or measure electric current in a circuit. It is a sensitive electromagnetic device which can measure low currents, even of the order of a few microampere. Also, it means this device also measures very small amount of current. The working principle of a moving coil galvanometer. A current carrying coil experiences a torque in a uniform magnetic field which deflects the coil in the field. For a galvanometer, deflection is proportional to the current. It means a current carrying coil, when placed in an electrical external magnetic field, experiences a magnetic torque. The angle through which the coil is deflected due to the effect of the magnetic torque is proportional to the magnitude of a current in a coil. Next one is the construction and working. First one is the horseshoe-magnet. To provide a uniform radial magnetic field, powerful cylindrical magnet is used. Second one is the coil. Coil consists of large number of copper wires wound over a frame. Third one is the spring. A light spring is provided at the center and develops a restoring torque while the coil deflects. Number fourth, pointer. The pointer moves along the arc of the gratitude scale. This is a diagram of a moving coil galvanometer in which horseshoe magnet, pointer, spring, coil which are used for uniform magnetic field. Let's see how the moving coil galvanometer works. Let a current I flows through a rectangular coil of a n number of turns and a cross section area A. When this coil is placed in a uniform radial magnetic field B, the coil experiences a torque. The deflecting torque on a coil due to the current flow is τ is equal to INAB. The restoring torque developed in a spring as the coil deflects, that is τ is equal to C into theta. That is, we know that torque τ is equal to force into perpendicular distance between the forces. Torque T acting on the n turns of coil is given by τ is equal to I into n into AB. The magnetic torque thus produced cause the coil rotate and the phosphor bronze strip twist. In turn, the spring S attached to the coil produces a counter torque or restoring torque, that is C into theta, which results in steady angular reflection, that is C into theta is equal to I into n into AB. When the restoring torque balances deflecting torque, the coil rests in the deflected position, that is I into NAB is equal to C theta, where by rearranging this I is equal to C theta by NAB, where and I is equal to K into theta, where K is the stands for the C divided by N into AB, that is I is directly proportional to theta, that is the current through the coil proportional to the deflection. Next point is current sensitivity. Deflection produced for unit current passing through the coil, that is SI is equal to theta by I, where I is equal to C theta by NAB. Therefore, SI is equal to NAB by C. Current sensitivity can be increased by increasing N, increasing A, increasing B and decreasing C. Voltage sensitivity. Deflection produced for unit voltage applied between the terminals of the coil, that is SV is equal to theta by V, INAB is equal to C theta. By rearranging this, SV is equal to NAB by CR. Voltage sensitivity can be increased by increasing N and increasing A and increasing B or decreasing C and R.